DSA currently mainly solves line width roughness and pattern collapse problems, but as chip design complexity increases, other types of challenges may emerge. If alternative technologies like new resist types or improved EUV light sources can solve these problems more simply, DSA might once again face marginalization. However, from a business logic perspective, DSA has indeed found its ecological niche. Against the backdrop of Moore's law approaching physical limits and manufacturing costs rising sharply, any technology that can significantly reduce costs deserves serious consideration. Especially for companies that have invested heavily in advanced processes, DSA represents a relatively low-risk, high-return technology path. From a forgotten lab technology to a potential industry savior, DSA has used 30 years to illustrate a profound business truth. A technology's value depends not only on its inherent advancement, but more importantly, on whether it can solve the most pressing business problems of the moment. When DSA lost to traditional lithography back then, it was because the industry's greatest need was higher precision. Now that DSA has gained new life, it's because cost control has become the top priority. This transformation reflects the semiconductor industry's strategic shift from pursuing performance limits to pursuing economic efficiency. For investors, DSA's story reminds us that in rapidly changing tech fields, today's failed technologies might be tomorrow's killer applications. The key is understanding the dynamic matching relationship between technological value and market demand, rather than simply pursuing technological leadership itself. Whether DSA can ultimately achieve large-scale commercialization is still too early to conclude. But what's certain is that in the semiconductor industry where cost pressures are mounting, any technology that can significantly reduce manufacturing costs will receive unprecedented attention and investment. This may be the truest logic of technological innovation in the business world.